Okay, now your turn. Don't be too stiff. You're nervous.
Not scared.
Just trust me. There's no need to be afraid. Don't worry, it's okay. You will get used to it.
It's okay, I trust you.
Okay? Relax. And take a deep breath. Straighten your arms. And focus on the target. You see? Good job. Nice shot. Okay, once again. Focus. And yes.
Bitawan mo nga siya.
Aray! Ano ba? Calvin!
What the hell is your problem, Kevin?
Huwag mo ako Englishin, ha? Nasa Pilipinas ka.
I can understand every word you're saying. You can't fool me.
Tumahimik ka.
Hoy! Ano ba? Tinuturoan niya lang akong bumaril. Wala kaming ginagawang
Mas
masama.
kinakampihan mo pa to?
Ano ba?
Itong loko-loko na to.
Bakit ganyan?
Wala akong tiwala sa mukha niyan.
Selos ka ba?
Pinoprotektahan lang kita.
Aray!
Stop it! Just get a life, Kevin. Be a man.
Get a life, ha? Ano?
Calvin! Ano ba? Nakikisali pa kayong dalawa! Baba niyo yung mga baril ninyo! Tama na! Tumigil na kayo! Hindi niyo kailangan magbarilan dito!
Teritoryo ko to. Ako ang masusunod.
You don't know me enough. Don't test my patience.